Alrighty, my dudes, play Wretched Hands. Alright. The following segment utilized a live feed of Sorry, hold on. Did that say Lake Brokeback Mountain? Mountbank. Got it. Okay, in Canada during its broadcast. It would be in Canada. Thank you. Thank you for welcoming me back, mate. Tonight, mostly cloudy, lows around 25 degrees. Light snow around what's happening? What are we looking at? What's there? What it do? Is that a whale? Something came out of the water. I can't read cursive, that's too much. Oh, there we go, nice! Curtis comes down to the camp this weekend. Fulton and I have devised a plan on how we can continue to uphold the deal without giving in to these beings' abhorrent demands. Oh, okay. Oh, right, because the government, or the camp, or somebody started, helping them, right? Richards has seen a bear lurking near the boys' cabins. We will go out and shoot it. If the statue wants a sacrifice, it will have to settle for this. I will be a pawn no longer. Curtis, I will tell you this with complete certainty. If I could do it over again, I would have made that, I would never have made that deal. Glenn Arthur. The statue's alive! Wretched hands tap my window. A stranger's fangs scrape the walls. Okay. All right. Thanks for letting me know. I'm glad to. Oh, right thigh. It's the hive mind. Bo Nadler. Neck region. Lloyd Michaels. Oh, how could you tell? Poor Lloyd. Not Christian Hoyt. What do you mean neck region? Darcy Ogden. Is this becoming a creature? Marcy Dean is really separated. I mean, like, I know it's becoming... I assumed it would become Gemini, a part of Gemini's hive mind, but I'm saying, is it, like, becoming this... like, something else with a neck? Legs and stuff, or thighs, or what? Glenn Arthur. Oh, that's Glenn! Glenn didn't make it! Photo comparison suggests an exponential increase in organism deterioration since mutation. Organism has since lost all resemblance to a bear. So Arthur became a part of the bear. Okay, got it. Understood. Freaking A.
Unnatural.
Unnatural, you don't say. Like dropping Ayoo. Ayoo.
What's happening to the tissue is not only entirely unlike what's typical for the disease, it's completely counter to it.
Counter?
Instead
In what way?
of attacking foreign tissue, it welcomes it.
Right. So it becomes a part of the hive mind.
Bulbs fester and swell. Tissue refuses to die. It is hypermetastatic.
Hypermetastatic? What does that mean?
At this point, to a tumor. I would not speculate on the states of the minds within.
Oh, they're definitely still alive. Oh, even the bone starts to, like, smooth out. Okay, this is Glenn, who's already been fused. Let me crack open the other water bottle I grabbed. I have seen a vision! It's a ball of yarn! Kitty go meow, it's gonna play with it. Is that a laser? Heavenly visitors? The aliens. Angels visited me while I slept. Four of them. Okay. That don't look right. They really don't look right. Who am I that the hosts of heaven would commune with me? The unconscious mind is a door, and I hold the key. Oh, dream speakers, name yourselves! A half-living thing grows outside camp. Half-living? Yeah, it's really cool, right? It reminds me of, like, the papyrus writing. A statue carved in their likeness, arms reaching out like a child's. Oh. I have been offered a new covenant. Deal is sealed. Wait, so he made, this is when he made the seal to help them locate Earth, effectively, right? Is that a tree, or is that a... Is you a tree? You better tell me if you're not a tree. It's against the law to not tell me if you're not a tree. Deal is broken. When was the deal made? I didn't see it. What was the deal? Okay. What was the deal? To not harm the bear? I'm at a loss on this one. Wait. Wretched hands tap at my window. A stranger's fangs scrape the walls. Sleep beneath the feeding grounds. Cancer shares a dream. So it's a hive. Basically, what that means. Cancer shares a dream means that the fleshy bits are a hive mind. And it's yeah, underneath the feeding grounds, it's still, because it's underground, it has the network of tunnels. But a stranger's fangs scrape the walls. What does that mean? I don't know. Wretched hands tap at my window remind me of like the tree when you have a tree outside a window and it's like tapping on the window from the wind. The deal was to offer humans. He offered a bear instead. Oh. But why offer the humans? Jack heard it again. There is a voice from space. Jack, do you see me? I have become something else. I am still here, relic of the faceless day. Don't leave me, you bastardos. Old bone grows. Old bone grows. Oh, here comes the zooming. What kind of a fancy zoom-in camera is this? Alright, this is not a zoom-in, I don't think. The humans can become part of the hive mind because of their sentience. Oh, bear can't. I see. Well, there's the stranger's hand. I'm not good at mouthing words. You're gonna have to speak louder. Can't hear you through the door. You gotta speak up. This isn't gonna work. I can't communicate like this. Try again later. Okay, alright. Good talk. Okay, so that thing is move. It can move. That's so creepy. That is so creepy. Oh, one more. Plush promo. Like. Pause. Like. Yeah. Is something standing there? In the shadow? Why is it that analog videos seem scary? There's nothing wrong with what we're looking at here. It's something about the fact that the guy recording isn't saying anything, right? I feel like. Just ambient noise. Who made that fugly looking door? Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Ooh, only $29.99. What's with this commercial? Hey, I want it. Essentially a human corpse. Seal of approval. Okay. I love it. Ayoo, be sure to join the crew. Please like, follow, and subscribe. And hey, if you like that video, you should check out this stuff.